So it's pretty simple. This tool simply stores all the information which is related to the customer or the prospect of the business, right? And in that way, it helps a business to maintain good relationship with their customers, right? So it stores all the information. Like for example, think of it. If a business has to do smooth transactions with the customer, they need to maintain all the details in terms of let's say how much the customer had paid, which product he has ordered, when is the next payment due, how much is he still need to pay. So all that information needs to be stored somewhere, right? So that they can have smooth transactions. Smooth transactions will mean that they can maintain very good relationship with the customer. So that is the thing. So that is what our customer relationship management thing is. Okay. So as we can understand, CRM, wherever we hear of CRM or wherever we talk about the CRM part in a business, it is something which holds a lot of customer related information, right? So CRM has customer related information. Now, what sort of information for customers? So information which goes into CRM can be of different types, like the contact details of the customer, the transactions that you are having with your customer, the payment details, how much they have paid. Okay, the opportunities that you have from the customer, where you can do a possible sale to the customer, the products that they have purchased, the payments that they have to make, the queries that they have, or the cases that they have. So all information related to customers. So it's not just about their contact information. It can be the transactions, the conversations that I'm having with the customers. So all information related to customer needs to be stored. Okay, and why it needs to be stored? So that we can have smooth transactions, right? Uninterrupted kind of a business thing with them. So for example, take a very simple example. If there is a business and you go and buy something from that business, okay, you have made a part of the payment and you have to make another part of the payment. Let's say half of the payment you have made and half payment needs to be made next month, right? Here, in case the moment you go to make the next half of the payment and these guys say, oh, you still need to pay the full amount, or they are not able to tell you when exactly the payment needs to be done. So that will become a little, that situation will be a little confusing, or that situation will be a little embarrassing for you, that okay fine, I made the payment, still why are they asking me to make the payment again? So that sort of thing, right? So business needs to make sure that they store all the information accurately, correctly of the customer, so that they do not have any disputes and all those things, right? So when we talk about this customer related information which goes into CRM, as I said, there is a lot of information which goes there. So it's not just one information, there is a lot of information which goes into it, right? So that is one thing. Okay, so the CRM is something which should help business to store all this information. So basically CRM requires to store a lot of data, right? So that is what we derive out of it. So CRM is a tool which can help maintain relationship. How does CRM work? It stores all the information related to customer. So there are a lot of information which need to be stored there. Now, so what we understand that CRM requires to store data. Okay, clear on that? Now the point here is that is it only about storing data? Would you consider a CRM very good CRM in case it allows you to store a lot of data? storing data does not make a CRM very good and very effective CRM. So storing the data is just one part of it, one small bit of it. There's a lot beyond that which needs to be done, right? So storing data is just one part of it. So what is that which it does? Next is the CRM should be able to store data. Okay, that is the first thing, first requirement. But if storing data is the only requirement or only expectation out of a CRM, then you can create a CRM out of a hard disk also. But that does not happen, right? So hard disk cannot be treated as a CRM. So data storage is just one small thing that you need from a CRM. Secondly, what you need? You also need to retrieve data. Fine. So putting the data into the system or putting the data into something is one part. Retrieving it and with that particular speed, fast retrieval of data is also required. So let's say when a customer comes to you and he asks you for for a piece of information, what do you do that time? You need to retrieve it very quickly and then reply back to the customer about his queries. So you cannot say that, okay, fine, I need 3 days to answer this question. I need to retrieve data from my hard disk and I need some time. So that will again not help you maintain good relationship with customers. So you need to retrieve the data really quick, right? So quick retrieval of the data is required. Data needs to be shared. Okay, so retrieval is one more attribute. Other attribute that would be required from a CRM is that CRM needs to be shared within your team, right? So it needs to be shared within different members in the team. So if there is a customer and in your business or in your company there are 10 customer care executives, so the customer might not call any specific customer care executive. He can call anyone, and anyone from there should have that information available, right? So when we call a customer care, we do not know who's going to receive the call, but they are still able to answer our queries. So it should not happen that, oh, I do not know anything about it. Why don't you call the other way? Does it happen that way? No, right? Which means the data that they have for our, for the clients, that is shared. So everyone sees the same set of information. So data needs to be shared, and this data needs to be secured as well. It has to be shared and it has to be secured. Right. So these are the other attributes. So apart from storing the data into CRM also needs to be shared. It needs to be secured, and it also needs to be designed in such a way so that the data can be retrieved quickly at a very high pace. Right. So now, any company which wants to have a CRM has these things in mind. So, and CRM is a part of every business. Any business which is like small, very small, mid-size, big, very big business, any business, they have customers and they need a CRM thing. Okay. Now, if any company has customers, they need to maintain details of the customer. That is one. They need to maintain the contact information. They need to maintain